So the Congress in the last few days has been ensuring that they have this massive shows of strength to show unity in their fight against the Election Commission, raising in fact their charge of vote chori repeatedly. And in the last many days, we've seen leaders, interestingly, all from the south, making their way to Bihar to be a part of Rahul Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi's campaign. And today, it was M.K. Stalin who was sharing the stage with Rahul Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi and Tejasvi Yadav. It was a rather stark image because, mind you, the Dravida Munnetra Kazhagam has previously several times made comments against the state of Bihar, against Biharis, referring to them as people who aren't as sophisticated as the people of Tamil Nadu. Interestingly, Chief Minister Stalin in Bihar too, in a rally, spoke in Tamil to the people of Bihar. Let's get you details first in our report of some of the highlights of that campaign. It took place in Darbhanga of Bihar.
A big entry in Rahul Gandhi's Bihar campaign. Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M.K. Stalin and DMK MP Kanimozhi joined Rahul, Priyanka and Tejasvi on the campaign trail. Stalin also addressed a gathering in Tamil. His speech translated into Hindi. Stalin repeated Rahul's vote chori charge and reminded Bihar about Karunanidhi Lalu connection. BJP questioned the presence of Stalin in Bihar poll campaign to back Congress, reminding his past barbs at Hindi and Bihar, posting a video of alleged anti-Bihar hateful remarks by Stalin and a handful of DMK netas. The Saffron Party reminded Stalin that his party had called Biharis less intelligent and blamed them for job loss in Tamil Nadu.
இந்தி பேசும் இளைஞர்களை தமிழ்நாட்டு வேலைக்குள் நுழைக்கிறது, அதன் மூலமாக பிஜேபி வளர்த்தலாம் அப்படின்னு ஒரு சூழ்ச்சி செஞ்சுக்கிட்டு இருக்காங்க. அதுக்கு இங்க இருக்கக்கூடிய பழனிசாமி கும்பல் வேண்டுமானால் வேடிக்கை பார்க்கலாம். ஆனால் திமுகவோ தமிழ்நாட்டு மக்களோ அதை வேடிக்கை பார்த்துக்கிட்டு இருக்க மாட்டாங்க என்பது மட்டும் அழுத்த நிறுத்தமாக நான் இங்கே குறிப்பிட்டு காட்ட.
BJP also slammed Telangana Chief Minister Revant Reddy for his Bihar DNA jibe at his political opponents.
मेरा DNA तेलंगाना, KCR का DNA बिहार. He belongs to बिहार. बिहार DNA से तेलंगाना DNA बेहतर है.
जिस ढंग से बिहार में बिहार को गाली देने वालों को, हिंदुओं को गाली देने वालों को, स्टालिन को जमा कर रहे हैं, या तो आप माफी मांगिए, नहीं तो इसका खामियाजा आने वाले चुनाव में भुगतना पड़ेगा.
The DMK hit back, calling it a non-issue by BJP and claimed that the Saffron Party insulted a Tamilian in Odisha by questioning his credentials to run a state.
What did the BJP, what kind of an advertisements did they release? They made advertisements making derogatory accusations against Tamilians. Mr. Modi asked, how can a Tamilian rule Orissa? And shamelessly is coming to the state of Tamil Nadu and seeking votes. This is the duplicity, this is the hypocrisy of the BJP.
With the North-South issue in the spotlight, will it become a flashpoint in the Hindi heartland? With Pramod Madhav, Anaga Keshav and Karan Singh, Bureau Report, India Today.